Yo, 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 what up, everybody? What up? Yo, what up, Banano? What's up, bro? I'm thinking it might come down. I think it might be coming into these areas possibly before coming down a little bit. This is respecting these levels, especially on a daily. Right here. On the daily. Gotta go to the 15. Yeah, I go to 15 right here. Look at how perfectly it's respecting this level. And that's what it did last time when I seen a push down here. When I caught this low right here, it did the same exact thing where it landed into this key level and it just respected this line. So that's kind of what I'm basing this possible next trade on. But I already missed this entry from like this level that would be up there, so I'm thinking it's going to be this level, which is kind of right now. So that's what I'm kind of thinking this is at. So obviously this would be that top that I think happened. So our next bet is going to be somewhere right here. Yeah, I know. I don't think it will, but that's why I'm thinking at least if it's respecting this daily level. But then it could have just made a top wick for this candle right here also. Grab that liquidity. Now we might even head a little bit somewhere down here maybe. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. I wonder if this could possibly be like a fake out back into the range. If you think about it, it probably is 8. Yeah, it could be just a flip. What if this ends up flipping back all the way back into this range? So yeah, like I was saying it though, is that so how I kind of came up with that idea, which was down here, was because of this key level around the 2-hour level, which was this right here, this resistance candle, this red candle right here. Wait, was it? Yeah, it was this one right here. I think it was that one. Was it that one? Where would I catch that move at? Oh, it was right here. My bad. Yeah, this level right here. My bad. I was looking way off. So look, this level right here that we caught this support in, because I think at this point the whole thing was still bullish. So this little push right here was just to create support so it could go higher, and then that's when this came up still, was because of that. I think these highs needed to be taken out in order to go lower than this, because this level right here respected it very well. And then that's where I had taken a trade at the other day right here. But now that we targeted these, because of the fact we also didn't break these lows right here, which tells me usually, now that I'm kind of thinking back on it, had we broken these lows right here, I don't think we would have went up that high. But since we didn't break these lows right here, obviously these highs probably needed to be tapped before we start coming back down again. And the thing is though, is if I go to the 4-hour, if we still happen to push back down at these levels, the next real resistance level is going to be around back down here, maybe even here first. Well, actually probably this level first. But then if it makes it to this level, then the next level will be back down here, and it's all a clean range all to this left side. So if we happen to break there, it's just clean range back down to here. And I'm just kind of going off of like the higher time frame type of idea. So I'm kind of trying to get like a projection of which direction we're going to be heading. And if we start heading this way, then like I said, if we break this, then the next level will be here, where I think will be the next potential big trade. Yeah, respect. Yeah, that's kind of what I got up here. What up, Lasik? What up? But yeah, that's kind of what I this, and that's why I say too, this what this blue box up here is. It's this daily order block right here, or just this idea too that this is where we did get rejected at last time. So if we do, and we already came above it and getting rejected again, and last time we got rejected, we came all the way back down here. So the first level will be back down here. It's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Yo, what up, Lasik? What up? So yeah, this is kind of what I'm seeing though. Is like I do see something all the way up to the weekly. So I'm wondering if we need to come back down again, maybe create some, like how we talked about the internal area right here. The internal will be somewhere down here probably. So if we do come down, it'll be something like that maybe before we attack these highs. But we'll just, like I said, that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. I don't think it'll, or like I said, overall on like the longer time frame, it might need to break these lows eventually though, and then come up like that. The same way I kind of figured this didn't come all the way down to here. It's probably going to create a resistance, come down maybe, and then grab some liquidity. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now, because like I said, it definitely is respecting EQH. Which one's EQH, bro? I forget. But yeah, this was that level that, you know, it did the same thing to push up. So I'm wondering if it does come down a little bit, it just does this kind of same thing and then maybe come back down. But oh, that's what I'm thinking. I'm trying to see, like I said, oh, here we come. We're coming to these levels that I was thinking about. No, not me waiting. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything right now. I'm just gonna I just wanted to be watching it while it happens so I could see if something gets respected or not. Yeah, 2401. That'll be, let's see. 2401 would be this guy over here. Yeah. But it is this one don't have a bottom wick yet either, so I'm wondering, this is on the daily, I'm wondering at some point will it need to create at least a bottom wick, because especially if it closes respecting this candle right here to the left, then it does have this whole range to work with if it happens to close back underneath this range right here. It's still 16 hours away, but I'm just wondering at some point, could it just make a small wick and then continue up, or what? Yeah. But look at the last time too, this close right here, it just dumped straight after that. So if this level's definitely respected for sure, because look at the last time it was in this area, look how far we came down. Yeah, it's a big yeah, it could definitely be a big range, especially if it closes underneath that. This would be a big range to come back down. Just even if we don't come all the way down, it just happens to hit like, you know, like around here or something and then go up. It's definitely possible. Kind of like this idea right here, when this started to move up right here. When this moved up, we obviously just didn't go straight up to this area straight away. So we ended up pulling back a little bit. And then if you think about it, this was a big range right here, this candle. So when we did close in there, we just came about, it looks like halfways or so before pushing back up. So it came into that area. So I'm just thinking if it does come down, it could just come down something like that before going back up. But that's on the daily, so it will probably obviously take a little bit longer. But like I said, I could be wrong. That's why I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens. I want to see how this level definitely gets reacted to, because if we could possibly get something down, that'll be cool too. Make a bottom daily wick is only, let's see, no, the daily bottom wick, yeah, technically is about 15 pips. It says 15 here, yeah, but that's also if it doesn't close underneath this range right here is what I'm saying. So if it happens to close above here, then it definitely still might need to make a bottom wick and then push up like that. But I think if it closes below this range right here, then it has this whole next candles of a range to pretty much take, if it does come down. But where I'm just saying, if it does, I think this would be the first level that you would have to watch out for, because it could react. Because even when it pushed up from right here, look at when it pushed up from right here, when we did break these highs, look, it still came down a little bit before pushing up. So that's why I say is like if it happens to close here, it could just be for liquidity like this to come down. And this is that whole level of where it's respecting that. So if it happens to just come back down to this area, which is 2374, that's that's almost 200 pips right there. So what I'm just saying is if I could catch 50 to 60 pips or something at least before the push up, that'll be cool too, because then I'll take a buy on the way it goes back up too. But I'm just, like I said, I'm just waiting to see how it reacts at these levels. I definitely want it, because I'm also just gaining data just so I know what it does when it comes back. Because like I said, the last time we came down here, when I took the trade down here, this was the same idea, where just we were respecting it before we happened to push back up. So if we happen to, this is the level I believe we're probably at the where we're currently at, which means we're above this level, and this is where it could be just taking like giving some retests. So if it gives these retests, I think this is where it would respect, and it did. Look, it respected all the way down this level too. So that's what I'm just thinking right now, which is why I'm trying to see what happens. So if we happen to be that level and this level, I just have this level of interest right here, because this is also where we had support, and then this will be the resistance. So I think if we happen to tap in these areas, this is where we could possibly be maybe getting stuck at, maybe come up a little bit, but could possibly come back down to target these levels right here, this level or this level at least. That's like 10 feet, and like I said, that'll also be the bottom wick of that daily candle. So you could probably get something out of that. But yeah, it's getting respected right here at this level right here. And it's also like I happen to put the fib up here, from here down to this support. I do see this level up here. Wondering if we happen to maybe at least go up there, that'll probably be a different story if we come up here. Because also when I had put it right here also, look, I did it from here to the top of that range. Or actually I'll go from the bottom of this range right here. That's where it started from. And we just definitely hopped right into there and got respected. So that's why now I'm thinking this could be the level up here, which is that other fib, before maybe pushing back down or something, to tap maybe this level one more time before going up. And like I said, this is not that far either, and there's news tomorrow, so I'm just wondering if maybe it brings it down here, news comes out, just grabs liquidity and goes up to actually target those highs. Like I said, this is just my idea. This is just how I'm trying to see what happens, because the only way I'm gonna try to figure stuff out if I, see it happening live. And I can't say I told you so. I'm trying to be able to do it beforehand, so that way I can understand what I'm doing. The daily, let's see. Oh shit. This big ass one right here. God damn. And look at where this would be the fair value gap area. So just imagine, like, this is right at this middle of it, which is also the bottom of that daily, this daily level right here. So if that's the case, we might just at least tap down here. Let's say from here 91, this is 71, so there could be possibly, at least tap into it, if not go to the bottom of it or something. But that's why I'm thinking this could possibly be, because look at the last time we came here, we also dropped down too. So it's just kind of could be repeating itself, at least for just to grab liquidity or something. Look at the daily. Yeah, that's what this one is, right? That's what I had, this big box right here on this candle right here. So that's the top and the bottom, and then you see the dotted yellow line is also the 50 line. Look at how it respected that 50 line. And that's what I'm saying, though, is that if anything starts closing above here, then I'm gonna probably figure this won't be it. Nope, the other one. To the left of it, or to the right of it? Like over here, this one. $23.65 right here. $23.65 to the right. This one there. This one. Or are you talking about this one? I don't even know which one you're talking about, bro. Send it to me in the Discord. Send me in a message. But the reason why I used this one was just because it, it was right before the push down of it. how it reacts at this level right here is going to be very important. If it starts to break these levels, then it's not going to most likely come down, but I'm thinking it could start coming down from here. This would be that level that I was expecting earlier, which is like the bottom wick of this level, and it's also getting respected here, and stuff like that. So I'm wondering if we need to come down at least over here to down to these 86 levels. So it would be that. That would be that there. Back into the range. So like I said too, like if we start to happen to close underneath this range right here, we could target at least this and then this. Oh man, that's good. Yo, what up, Alexander? What up? What up? Let's see how this 4 hour closes. If it closes respecting that, then maybe there might be a top wick before poly pushing down. But we're going to see how this level reacts. This is going to be important right here in the next 10 minutes, 10 more minutes. Because when I start going up to these levels right here, there's this long candle right here on the 8 hour also, where if we close below there, there's a good chance we could at least hit around here and possibly target these lows maybe next. Okay. Did respect this level. No, it closed above it again. We're gonna see it's definitely reacting at this level pretty strongly, so just want to see what happens. I've still got 9 more minutes. Hello, yo, what up, Salam? Yeah, no, I trade too. It just depends on um, just depends. I took like 2 trades earlier already today, but I was off stream. But I'm trying to, hey bro, appreciate in-depth analysis, and also, hey bro, appreciate it, DJ. Hell yeah. Yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to this channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. That'll be really cool if we could hit 1,000. 22 away. And make sure you guys like the stream also. Like the stream that you guys are watching. That way we could try to get it to more people. Help out a lot. Let me go like my own stream. Yes, sir. Oh, dang, we got 9 people. I already liked it. We got 10 people watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys for watching. But yeah, make sure you guys go follow the Donvo clips. There's a lot of good information on here. So definitely watch it. Hey, what's up, bro? So yeah, but yeah, yeah, man, that's the guy Donvo. He helps out a lot, so that's why that channel is very good, because you guys can learn a lot of key points during his streams. That way you don't have to watch the whole stream. You try to get a lot of good points out of it. There's a lot of videos though. Hell yeah. Hey, Demo Man, what up? Yeah, I watch his stream. Yeah, I'm always in chat with him. Oh yeah, man, his stream was really good. I was there this morning too. But yeah, I watch Donvo all the time. See, this is definitely now starting to break out right here. I wonder if that could be something. It is pushing though. It did close above here. So I mean, this level is definitely key. So I'm just wondering what's gonna happen here at these levels. It's definitely struggling. And the 1 hour already cleared this range right here, this red candle. It already cleared that range of this whole trade right here. So I'm wondering if, depending on if we close above, there's a good chance we'll still have higher prices. But if we end up closing below this red candle, there could be a chance we come back down. Yeah, the Donvo stream. FOMO forces you into trades outside of your system that you know you shouldn't take. The most frustrating part is trying to understand why that urge is so hard to control, but you simply don't recognize. Yeah, that's true, Saddam. Do you adding more plays in your trading? Yeah, I'm definitely doing adding a lot of things to my trading. That's kind of what I'm working on right now. Is just, this is kind of one of my ideas that I have when I do this, when I do what I'm doing. Where was it at? Like Don trade yesterday, 4 hour. Yeah, like I said, look at this, is the idea I had, is that the fact that we closed around here respecting these levels so well, that was kind of the move that was kind of coming up. So now that we're on a higher time frame, like on a daily, and it's getting respected right at these levels, that's kind of what I'm thinking could be happening right now, because it's like respecting the levels to the point, exactly like this. So that's why I'm thinking, if this happens to be the top, at least before we start making a bottom wick on a higher time frame, like a 4 hour. Oh, that has a daily. See, yeah, this don't have the 8 hour don't have a daily wick, a bottom wick or anything, and this is gonna close in 1 minute. 12 hours still has one more 4 hour in it. So the 4 hours about to close right now, respecting this level. And when they usually say a top wick close, top wick is usually lower prices, so we might need to create some lower prices possibly. And like how they say close above higher prices, which is this created higher prices, but now that it's closing below, but with the top wick, it usually signals lower prices. So at some point, wherever we do close at, we might have lower prices still. So it might still close like that, wick up, and then come down. But yeah, I'm just going off of the way this like gets really well respected. The same way, like I said, this bottom one down here, how this level got really well respected. Exactly like that. Like I said, this was exactly it. And also what I'm kind of seeing right here too is that so as you can see how this fair value gap right here, this little box right here, the fair value gap, it got really well respected, and this is on the 15-minute. So once that formed right here with this green candle and then this red candle, when it formed right there, look at what happened. Every single time we tap the bottom of it, which is this white dotted line right here, this is the bottom of that fair value gap. So every time we came over here, we tapped it, came over here, tapped it, and then even here we tapped it, and we respected it all the way back up to the top level. So once you were, I guess you could say, once you're in at this level, it didn't really even go to break these previous highs or these previous lows, because this was the low it already needed to break. So that's why everything respected it, and then it shot up after that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. Excuse me. That's kind of what I'm thinking right here, is the fact that this is getting really well respected right here at such a good level. I'm wondering if this could possibly be that, because there's also this let me see, I could close, let me delete this one. So pretty much this is the box right here. This box, which is just the same thing as the other one, but on the bottom side. So that's kind of what I'm thinking though. So if it does respect this area very well, then that's where I'm thinking we could be seeing at least some lower prices. Maybe break these lows so we can go higher, but I think we might still need to come down. And And the bottom of this fair value gap, which is the same thing, is also the bottom of this candle right here. So it's definitely a lot of getting respected. Buy limits and bullish trend at strong support and big structure. Yeah, no, that's definitely good, bro. That's good. If it works, don't fix it. Just keep going, man. Just make it better. I usually take trades. But yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, like this right here is a perfect little onion play right here. So it's like if you understand Don's playbook, you know what to look for. Even right here, like an onion play, pretty much. But yeah, like I said, I use his playbook all the time, like understanding range 1 and range 2. And this is, like I said, this is range 1 right here, and then this is range 2. So range 1 here and range 2 here. If we happen to break this level 2, then we're going to continue up. But if we happen to just come in here and then come back down, we might need to tap level 1 level before going back up again. Because, you know, once we close in this range, then we usually tap the bottom of the range. So it could be this right here, even at least down here. But if it comes down to these levels, that's could be where the daily flip could be at also. All right, so that closed there, 4 hour close below. Let's see the daily. Still got time. But yeah, I could be wrong. But this is why I'm saying though is I'm not taking any trade unless it's following the plan that I'm looking for. And obviously, if I really wanted to take a buy, I would have just took a buy right now. But I'm not. I'm way. This was the buy a long time ago down here, so I'm already kind of late to the party. So what I'm trying to do is wait for maybe something different. But if it doesn't follow it, then I'm just gonna stay out anyways, cause I've taken enough trades already today. There it goes. Start to push. Broke the highs. This could push up. I'm asking in your experience or what your thoughts. Taking impulse buy limits or waiting for onion. What are the flaws and impulses? It just saves more money but risky. Yeah, it is. That's the thing is like what Don says is that if you shouldn't take the impulse buys. Like the impulse buy should just be part of your plan. So they're not really an impulse. So it's like if your plan is to do this and when it starts to happen, it's not an impulse because this is what you were waiting for. So it's like an impulse is just when you're getting into it without doing really analysis. You're just trying to read it real quick. Things like that. It's like obviously they work sometimes, but over the long haul, you want to make sure you follow your plan. You know, so if your plan is to buy at a support or resistance, or you know, sell at a resistance, then you don't take no trades until that happens. You know, so that's why I say just when it's part of your plan, it's not an impulse because that's exactly what you're waiting for. And it's like what Don says is that you're not missing a trade if it wasn't part of your plan. You know, if it runs 1,000 pips and you missed it but it wasn't part of your plan, you didn't miss it because it wasn't your trade to begin with. So just always follow your plan. But that's why I say it's like things like that where I try to I try to just follow my plan. So if I'm looking for something and it goes against me, then I gotta figure out a different plan, you know, and then just or different, like I said, if this happens to just keeps pushing up, then that's not part of what the plan I was looking for. So just gonna see how this plays out. Yeah, the daily still got 15 hours, so yeah. It's just stabbing this right here. Boom, 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 boom. But that's what I'm just wondering is that if it doesn't really break this level, then this is where I think we could possibly have a pullback. But we'll see. That's why I say just and I like watching candles a lot too. So I guess the idea is just working on price action also. So if I'm looking for something, I need to see how it prints and then what happened the time before, or find different areas. But yo, Farzo, what up, bro? Yeah, that's why I say it's like I'm just waiting for things to play out, and eventually I'll be able to read it a lot better. Just gotta spend time reading these candles, seeing how they print on all time frames. This is closing above, and then we did wick down, and then if we flip, it could just push up, and things like that. Just reading price action, and also looking left. Why is it reacting here? There's a good resistance here. Yo, for sure, bro. Thanks, bro. Chilling. Yes, sir. Just chilling right now. Trying to get this quick little session. We're gonna see right now. Fluidity, what up, bro? What up? It's going good, bro. It's going good. How you doing today, Fluidity? You was killing it today, bro. That was cool. That was good. I'm proud. Happy for you, bro. Keep it up. Keep up the good work, bro. Job's not finished yet. You know what it is. Best broker that accepts 50 USD with minimum trades. Damn. I'm not sure, but yeah. I'm in the US, so the only ones that I've used is Hanko Trade for personal, but I only got a little bit in there. But that I'm just kind of like trying to flip in a sense, and then I have fundeds too, but that's just different. But the Hanko, when I first started, it did let me just add 100. You could only use 100, I think. Yeah. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. Yeah, bro. Where do you live at, Farzo? That's the only thing is I've been limited to not many different brokers, so I don't really have that many good ideas, to be honest. All right, so we close back below the range right here. Now the next range we could probably tap is the bottom of here or the top of here. So somewhere maybe down here we might get a reaction or something. And I'm wondering if we happen to target these lows, if we start to close like this, we could maybe look for a top wick or something and then maybe carry it down a little bit. $23.95, 93 area above to buy, 88, 86 are above to below to sell. 88, 86, 88, 86. Yeah, that'd be pretty nice. And 90, 23.95, 23.95 for buys, you said? 23.95 for buys. That's kind of high, don't you think? 93, yeah, somewhere around here. But honestly, the best buys would have been down here, following this order flow idea. Since we're so bullish, this was definitely just a pullback. And once we broke this low right here, boom, right there, you see it just respected before coming up. So that's what I'm wondering now, though, is what could possibly happen. Are we gonna push back up already to the top of here, or we are gonna come down, depending? But let's see. 15 closed above that level, so that's actually definitely letting me know we're definitely bullish now. So I'm wondering if this could be the level we might look out for. So I mean, if we happen to push up there, it's only 10 more pips, but on the 30-minute 1 hour. Yeah, and especially if we could close above that candle right there, then it's definitely going to signal higher prices. So at some point, we could probably come back up here, create a higher price. So if that's the case, I'm wondering if we could hop in somewhere. Right there, that was the area right there. Here, boom. Once that one broke, 87.2. That would have been 40 there. That was the move. It looks perfect right here. Like, these were created the new lows, which they broke probably over here, broke these lows. And then once we did come up, this is where it created that whole level. Tapped it perfectly. 85, 84 weekly pivot point level of interest level. Yeah, that's true. That's good though. Shoot. So that's why I'm saying is that if it happens to start going that way, this daily does. We want to see how this daily closes. Daily definitely don't have a bottom wick though. Look at every other daily, pretty much has a bottom wick. So I'm just wondering. And let's find one without a bottom wick. This guy right here. This guy didn't have a bottom wick. He created a range up, and then he broke the highs with this candle, and then it came down after that to create the bottom wick. So I'm wondering if it does possibly the same thing, where if this doesn't have a bottom wick, you know, we might still create higher prices because we close above. Then this could be the one that creates that wick, and then maybe the next one or something. But just like I said, just watching how things print and seeing what happens. 5 minute SMC check. 5 minute SMC. I don't really know what SMC is, to be honest, but are you talking? Is this SMC right here? Like that? Broke structure. Yeah. Boom. Tapped in last support and up. Yep. Yep. Close right back right there. Create a higher high. And I think this is a La candle, so if that's a La candle, this is probably gonna push up. That looks like the La candle. 395 target. Yes, sir. Back up to these levels right here would be crazy. That'd be a nice move up there. That's like a 40 pip move at least up to these levels. Maybe, but yeah, exactly right here too, where we got rejected 3 times. Boom, 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 and it did not break the high each time, so it just came down like that. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. You guys make sure you guys hit that like button. Triple flow in 2387. Yeah, look at Nas. Nas going crazy. Damn. Imagine having buys right here. You would have been into buys from right here. Damn, boom. Right here, boom. All the way to the target. This is NASDAQ 100. This one right here, NASDAQ 100. That thing is going crazy. Imagine having buys from down here. Dang. And then what else? Oh, what heck? I didn't mean to do that. Euro USD. I need to look at Euro USD. Damn, look at this right here. This was the analysis we did the other day. Bounced right off these levels and then went straight up. Watch. From here, go to 15. Look at nothing close below that level. Right there. It would have been a perfect buy. Crazy. Yeah, this thing is still struggling right here. See, that's why too I'm not worried about nothing right now, because if it wanted to really break past there, it would have did it already. So what I'm thinking could happen is that it might need to come down before going up. So it's just stuck right here, so I'm definitely not gonna do nothing right now. Oh yeah, the Euro USD was crazy. Ooh. Look at right here. And then I go to 30, Look at right here. There's probably this right here. If that thing closes above it, it'll respect, but I don't respect it. So I'm wondering if this one could be the one that's getting respected. Boom. Yep, respecting it. Broke these lows, respected it. You see how right here, look, respected it, respected it. If it respects it, it's a good chance it could still go back up. And this could just be the liquidity, which is pulling down from here. And then even a higher time frame, it'll be down here. Euro USD down. Look at how bullish this thing is. So I'm just wondering, look at, there's a level right here. It did get rejected. What I'm thinking though is that if this is a pull down, it could just be a quick little push down. Maybe even, like I said, down to these levels right here. Let's see what the 4 hour, see there's nothing there down, not till way down here. And then the 1 hour does have this level right here. So I'm wondering if this could be a level we need to come down to before pushing back up. There's one from the 30 right here. It's respecting. No, that didn't respect. Wasn't it? Could be this one. And that's getting respected, yeah. So if we close below this thing, it might not. It might just go up right here. I'm wondering if it could go up. Look at how it did that there. It could just come up. So what I'm not gonna take a trade, but what I would want to look for, just like a quick analysis, is that I would want to see something get formed right here. See, it's gonna possibly come up to here. If it creates like a fair value gap somewhere right here, and then it starts to respect it, then I think that's where the move could possibly be back up to here or here. It's just doing the opposite, or it's kind of, that's kind of what I'm thinking, because we are getting respected right here. This right here has a big level, so if we just tapped into there, we could at least come back to the range. So if we close above here, we could be back inside of this range, and we might need to come up here. Because this would be level 1, this would be level 2 right here. So if we do close back in here, the next range would be up here. If we do come down, it'd be just for liquidity. Or if we close in here, we could tap there and then come down. But I wouldn't think bullish until we close above these levels up here. But yeah, that's my idea. Just an idea. Okay, so now it's tapping that level. So it did close above, respecting that level. So we did come up to here. This was that Fibonacci level that we were looking at. Let's see, was it from here? From here to the top? Oh no, that's coming down. Or might have been from here. Might have been here to here. Yeah. Or was it even there? Was it lower? Yeah, it was lower here. Here to there. Boom, exactly. So this was the high of it, and this was the low of it. And then it did give me this level right here. So I'm just wondering if it's gonna close above here, or $23.95. Yeah, so now this would be the next level. So this looks like this um, could have been liquidity to go up. That's what it needed. That thing's pushing now. So I'm wondering if this could be a target now. And this is only 30 pips though too. It looks kind of big, but it's only, well, 50 now or so, but nothing too crazy yet. I talk USMC. Smart money. Yeah, I've heard of it. I don't know. I haven't really learned from somebody that talks about it. Alright guys, I'm gonna be getting off. I gotta get some sleep. I've been on for about an hour and a half or so, but I'll be on again tomorrow. Well, tomorrow, do we have it tomorrow? No, we're off tomorrow. So, or no, we do have it tomorrow. So I'll be on tomorrow. And then Friday, well, Friday for me, probably Saturday for London. I'll probably do some back testing and stuff like that. Go over a few of my trades and stuff like that. So yeah, all right, man. I'll see you guys later. You guys make sure you guys hit that like button, and then you guys also subscribe to this clip channel. It'll help out a lot. We're almost at 1,000. We're 22 away, so let's go. Appreciate you guys for watching though, and I'll see you guys later.